Hi there! Let me take this off. Hopefully by this point in the COVID-19 pandemic, you understand why masks are so important, because they filter the air around us and prevent respiratory droplets from coming in. Just like how a mask filters the air around us, the nephron does the same in our body, filtering our blood. The nephron is located in our kidneys, which are tucked underneath our rib cages in the back. Join me as I take a journey of the nephron. Now let's take a look at the kidney as a whole. Here we have a ureter that's leading out of the kidney. The ureter consolidates the filtered waste from the collecting ducts, something we'll discuss in detail later, after blood has passed through the nephron and sends it to the bladder to be excreted from the body. And we also have the renal vein and the renal artery. Next up, we have the renal capsule, which is a capsule that encompasses the entire kidney. And so, what it does is it serves to protect the kidney. And then we also have these little pyramids that are called renal pyramids, and the middle sections are going to be the renal medulla, and the tops and tips are going to be called the renal cortex. Now that we have a better understanding of the kidney, let's go to the nephron. There are two different types of nephrons that include cortical and juxtamedullary nephrons. Cortical nephrons are located more in the cortex region of the kidney, while juxtamedullary nephrons are located closer to the renal medulla. The nephron consists of several parts, all of which play an important role in the filtration of blood. These include the glomerulus, Bowman's capsule, loop of Henle, and the collecting duct. Both the glomerulus and Bowman's capsule work together to remove filtrate from the blood via the afferent arteriole, which is right here, and direct it into the proximal convoluted tubule, which is up here. The proximal tubule will then carry the filtrate down the loop of Henle for further processing. The nephron is truly fascinating, as it uses the concept of osmosis, which is water moving from higher to lower concentrations, to filter out, secrete, and reabsorb compounds. The original filtrate that enters the glomerulus and the Bowman's capsule is made up of a wide variety of compounds, including water, sodium chloride, potassium, bicarbonate, glucose, which is a sugar, different amino acids, urea, and creatine. Phew, that was a lot. However, by the time it has passed all through the nephron, only water, creatine, urea, some potassium, sodium chloride, and some bicarbonate remain. The amounts of these compounds differ greatly from the original ratios, as a majority of the water and sodium chloride is reabsorbed. Without a nephron, life as we know it would not be the same for humans. However, many people live daily without a fully functional nephron in their kidneys. Now, with 1 in 3 Americans being at risk for chronic kidney disease and over 600,000 Americans having complete kidney failure, we are in a kidney crisis. This is why it is critical that we take care of our bodies now, and through nutrition and balanced diet as well as exercise, take action to keep our kidneys and the nephrons inside of them healthy.